Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I have just arrived to Saint Malo and I'm here today to discover the old parts of the city known in French as La Ville Intra-Muros, literally meaning the old city. Let's go! What you see behind me are called the Breakwaters. They are everywhere here in Saint Malo and they are used to stop the waves when there is a high tide.
Running away and I'm running away from you. Running away and I'm running away from you. From you. Running away and I'm running away from you. Running away and I'm running away from you. From you.
Here you can see the outer port at 9 a.m. You will be surprised to see the same place at 4 p.m. Now watch the port at 4 p.m. Can you imagine the greatness of the low tide? Look at the big rock out there. If you want to go walking, you have to wait for the low tide. And believe it or not, there is a swimming pool just here. Look at the same place in the afternoon. Here is the natural swimming pool. The walls in the city protect the old parts of Saint Malo and have a length of 2 kilometers. The best way to get an idea of the scale of Intramuros is by walking along the city walls. Let's do this.
I'm climbing, I'm searching, I'm falling. It's worth every second for you. I'm chasing, I'm climbing, I'm searching, I'm falling. It's worth every second for you. I'm chasing, I'm climbing, I'm searching, I'm falling. It's worth every second for you. I'm chasing, I'm climbing, I'm searching, I'm falling. It's worth every second for you. searching, I'm falling. It's worth every second for you. I'm chasing, I'm climbing, I'm searching, I'm falling. It's worth every second for you.